Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in Google Photos app. So here follow the steps. Open the Google Photos app, then tap on your profile icon, then click on manage your Google account. Then here tap on search and search for language. Then click on language personal info and then select the preferred language. So click on this pencil icon and then here search for your preferred language. For example, I am searching for French language and select it and then save it. By doing so, still the language in Google Photos app will not change, as Google has mentioned that to change the language in the Google Photos app you have to change the language of device as well. So open settings and here search for language and then select the option language and region option and then here select edit option and then search for your preferred language. For example, I am selecting French and then click on this plus icon. Here you will see the option set French as in default system language. If you are sure, then click on yes, and by this way you can change the language in Google Photos app on your Android device. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.